The ongoing probe by the Enforcement Directorate or ED into the Delhi excise policy case involving Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has intensified. In the latest twist to the saga, the ED has once again summoned Chief Minister Kejriwal for questioning in connection with the money laundering case linked to the excise policy. This marks the 8th time that Kejriwal has been asked to appear before the probe agency with the scheduled date set for March 4th. The Delhi Chief Minister skipped the 7th summons on Monday, stating that he would only appear before the agency if a court ordered him to do so. Kejriwal alleged that the repeated summonses were a tactic to pressure him into leaving the India Alliance bloc. In response to his absence, the ED filed a fresh complaint against Kejriwal for disobeying its summons, prompting a Delhi court to direct the Chief Minister to appear before it on March 16th. The Aam Aadmi Party or AAP has criticized the ED's actions, stating that the probe agency should await the court's decision rather than issuing repeated summonses. AAP leader Dilip Pandey emphasized that the BJP, the ruling party, aims to force the AAP out of the India Alliance or see Kejriwal behind bars, a claim strongly denied by the party.
देखिए, अब सबको साफ साफ समझ में आ रहा है कि ईडी इतना डेस्परेट क्यों है। जब कोर्ट में ऑलरेडी ये मामला पेंडिंग है और 16 मार्च की तारीख है, तो जिस विषय में ईडी खुद कोर्ट गई हुई है, उसी विषय में कोर्ट के फैसले का इंतजार क्यों नहीं हो पा रहा ईडी से? तो एक चीज तो तय है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के इशारे पर यह 8वां समन, इलीगल समन भेजा गया है, जो ऑलरेडी चैलेंज्ड है कोर्ट में। तय यह भी है कि जो साफ साफ कहने की कोशिश की जा रही है कि या तो आप इंडिया अलायंस छोड़ो और या तो आप अरेस्ट हो गए। तो हम भारतीय जनता पार्टी को बताना चाहेंगे, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का इन हरकतों से उनका भय और स्पष्ट हो रहा है, और चाहे किसी भी तरह का दबाव बना लें, कैसा भी दबाव बना लें, सीबीआई भेज लें, ईडी भेज लें, हम इंडिया अलायंस को देश हित में छोड़ने वाले नहीं हैं। ईडी को अपनी भद पिटाने की बजाय, अपनी बेइज्जती करवाने की बजाय कोर्ट के फैसले का इंतजार करना चाहिए।
Despite the matter being sub judice, the Enforcement Directorate rejected the contention that issuing a fresh notice for Kejriwal's attendance was inappropriate. This latest development follows a series of summons issued by the ED, with Kejriwal having skipped multiple previous notices, terming them as illegal and politically motivated. The Chief Minister's name has surfaced multiple times in charge sheets filed by the ED, alleging his connection with the preparation of the now scrapped Delhi excise policy of 2021 to 22. The ED has claimed that the accused used proceeds of crime amounting to approximately 45 crore rupees in the AAP's Goa election campaign. Meanwhile, AAP leaders Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh and Vijay Nair have already been arrested in connection with the case. The allegations against the Delhi government include allowing cartelization and favouring specific liquor traders who allegedly paid bribes for licenses under the excise policy. The AAP has consistently refuted these charges. As the political drama unfolds, all eyes will be on the developments surrounding Arvind Kejriwal's appearance before the Enforcement Directorate on March 4th and the subsequent court hearing on March 16th.